Hello everyone! Today we're gonna do tenderizing experiment. We're gonna find out the best way you can tenderize your pork chop at home. You're interested, so stay tuned because these techniques, you're gonna love it. I'm Chef Mike, and in this video we're gonna test 4 different ways how to tenderize amazing pork chop steaks like this. I got some sour cream here, honey, blueberries and pineapple. So we're gonna marinate the steaks for 30 minutes inside the fridge and then cook them, and let's see which one is the best. So stop talking and let's do it.
So first, I put steaks in sour cream. Then inside the honey. For next one, I'm gonna bleed some blueberries in the machine and then cover my steak. Last one, I peel some pineapple. Then I'm gonna cut small pieces. And then blitz with the machine. And completely cover my steak again. So I got everything ready, and now I put all boxes inside the fridge. So the meat was inside the fridge around 45 minutes, and now it's time to clean it completely. If you don't do that properly, you burn your steaks on the pan. Next step, we have to dry steaks completely. You never want to cook the steaks wet, guys. Then I'm gonna season them with salt and pepper. I'm not using anything else, so I can really taste the marinade. And now it's time to cook them on the hot pan until you get your preferred doneness. I recommend to use cast iron pan like this because you get better crust and the pan can keep more temperature inside. And he was asking me which cookware I recommend to buy, so I leave link in the description down below for my favorite brand I use. They got very quality cookware for budget prices, so don't forget to check them out, guys. When the steaks are ready, I'm just gonna leave them for 5 minutes to rest, and let's taste them. So we got our amazing steaks ready, guys.
Sour cream, blueberry, pineapple and honey. As you can see, the blueberry and the honey is more dark because it's much more sugar inside. So first let's try sour cream. In the sour cream pork chop, I don't see any difference from normal pork chop, guys. It's nice, tasty, soft, but just like normal pork chop. Next is blueberry pork chop. And even the pork chops are completely cooked because my girlfriend likes well done steaks. This pork chop with blueberry is nice and tender. pork chop with pineapple is super sweet, guys. So if you like sweet and tender, you're gonna love this pork chop. And the honey gonna be last. The honey make the pork chop super sweet as well, but it's not as tender as pineapple, guys. So winner for me is pork chop with the blueberry, guys. It's nice tender, it's soft, it's juicy, and you can feel nice sweetness. So if you wanna tender your pork chop, go for the blueberries. And there is much more ways how to tenderize the meat, guys. So if you have any ideas or your techniques, which one you use for your steaks, leave the comment down below so we can learn from you as well. And if you enjoyed today's experiment, give it a thumbs up so I know you want me to do more experiment next time as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. In the pork chop with sour cream, I don't see any difference. I don't know. In the sour cream pork chop, and there is next one going for pork chop. Pineapple. Next